Hi everyone, it's Alyssa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 4-strand flower with a Dutch braid. The skills needed for this style are a flower braid, 4-strand braid, and a Dutch braid. As always, make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're going to begin by taking a small section of hair and wrapping it to the other side of our head, moving it out of the way. Now we're going to start with a small section behind our ear. This is where we're going to begin a basic Dutch braid, or in this case, I'm going to do a French braid style. I'm now going to pancake the ends of my braid. This makes the braid look flourished and full. I'm now going to release the hair that I pinned up, and we're going to begin a basic 4-strand braid. If you're unsure of how to do a 4-strand braid, make sure to watch my in-depth tutorial. You can see right now that I'm adding it on both sides of my hair. I've stopped adding in hair once I reach the back of my ear. Once you get past there, you can continue your basic 4-strand braid down. Try to braid as far down as possible because this will make the flower much easier to create. I'm now pancaking my 4-strand braid as I did with my basic French braid before. You can see how I'm turning my braid around in a full circle, and I'll tuck the end underneath. Once I have my braid in the size and shape I prefer, I'm going to pin it in place. You can tug at the ends of the braids once more gently. Now you've completed your style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to check out my other videos and braid inspiration on Instagram for more hair and braid ideas.